Far beyond the planets we know, a tiny spacecraft continues a journey that began almost 50 years ago. It's called Voyager 1, and it was launched by NASA in 1977. Voyager 1 is now the farthest human-made object from Earth. It travels in deep space, far past the reach of our Sun. At first, it was made to explore the outer planets in our solar system, especially Jupiter and Saturn. But as time passed, the mission turned into something much bigger. The idea for Voyager came from a rare event in space. In the late 1970s, the outer planets were going to line up perfectly. This rare alignment only happens once every 176 years. It gave NASA a chance to visit Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune using gravity to move faster. A student named Gary Flandreau discovered this opportunity. It was a moment NASA couldn't miss, so they built two spacecrafts, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2. They were launched just 15 days apart in the summer of 1977. Voyager 1 was launched on September 5, carrying tools like cameras and sensors. These tools helped Voyager 1 take close-up pictures of planets and collect data. It showed us storms on Jupiter and the rings and moons of Saturn like never before. The images were breathtaking and changed the way we see our solar system. They also raised new questions about space and the nature of these distant worlds. After completing its main mission, Voyager 1 didn't stop. It kept going, heading toward the very edge of our solar system. Then on August 25, 2012, something historic happened. Voyager 1 crossed the heliopause, the boundary where the Sun's influence ends. This made it the first spacecraft to enter interstellar space. No other machine had ever gone so far from Earth. It was a huge moment in the history of space exploration. Humans had finally touched the space between stars. One of Voyager's most famous moments was when it turned its camera back toward Earth. It took a picture known as the pale blue dot. In that photo, Earth appeared as a tiny speck in the vast darkness of space. It reminded us how small and fragile our planet really is. Though Voyager 1 was only meant to last a few years, it kept working much longer. Thanks to the creativity of NASA engineers, the mission was extended. At one point, the team had to wake up old thrusters that hadn't been used since 1980. These helped keep the antenna pointed toward Earth so we could still hear from Voyager. Now, almost 5 decades later, Voyager 1 is still active. It's expected to keep sending data back to Earth until at least 2025. This is an incredible feat for such an old spacecraft. But it hasn't all been smooth. In November 2023, Voyager 1 started sending back strange and unreadable data. Scientists traced the issue to its flight data subsystem. That system is like the brain that packages information before it's sent home. A memory chip inside had likely been damaged by space radiation or just age. This meant Voyager 1 couldn't send back proper data anymore. But NASA didn't give up. By April 2024, engineers had found a solution. They moved the software to another working part of memory. This fix worked, and Voyager 1 began sending health updates again. Then in June 2024, it returned to full science operations. All of its instruments came back online. This was a big win for the team and a proud moment in space history. Voyager 1 continues to surprise scientists even today. At one point, it detected 775 unknown objects in interstellar space. This discovery shocked many people. Some wondered if they might be related to alien life. But most scientists believe they are cosmic dust, energetic particles, or debris floating through space. Astrophysicist Neil deGrasse Tyson shared his thoughts on the discovery. He said space will always challenge our understanding. This shows how much we still have to learn. The universe is full of surprises. Voyager 1 also discovered that interstellar space contains cold, dense plasma. This is very different from the hot, thin plasma near the edge of our solar system. These findings have changed the way scientists understand space between stars. Old ideas are being replaced with new ones based on real data. Voyager has opened the door for future missions. Now, new spacecraft are being designed to go even farther. These missions might help us answer some of our biggest questions. One of those questions is whether life exists beyond Earth. With better tools and technology, we may someday find out. Voyager 1 showed us that bold exploration is possible. Its journey continues to inspire scientists, engineers, and dreamers all around the world. The missions that come next will build on what Voyager has done. They will explore new worlds and uncover new mysteries. Maybe one day, we'll even reach other galaxies. Each step forward is a leap for all of humanity. Voyager 1 is proof that science fiction can become reality. What once seemed impossible is now part of our history. This small spacecraft is a symbol of human achievement. It reminds us to keep asking questions and to keep pushing forward. We are natural explorers. We are always searching for what lies beyond. Voyager 1's mission is more than just a journey through space. And our adventure among the stars is only just beginning. Subscribe to our channel and thanks for watching.